Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pop-outs in the style of Becky and Topic. In particular, we're going to remake their new track, My Heart Goes. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these free FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestions for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Alright guys, so now let's move to the claps. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but let's add some more layers. Cool, so now let's add some open hats. And this is just another longer layer. Alright guys, so now let's move to the bass. So let's hear how it sounds. This bass line is made of 4 layers, so let's hear them one by one. This is just a simple sub. This is just a classic deep house donk shot. This is more of a kind of future house-ish type of bass. And this is more of a textury bass just to add some more flavor to the sound. Then guys, we're moving to the other main element of the track, which are the plugs. So let's hear how they sound all together. We have quite a few layers going on, so let's hear them one by one. This is just a simple pluck. This is a sample which is adding a lot of width. This is more of a lowish kind of pluck. This is instead more focused on the high frequencies. And then we have this more kind of classic marimba. We also have 2 more layers, which are this other pluck and just some simple white noise, which is always helping a lot with those transients. Alright guys, so then we're moving to the stops. Let's hear how they sound. As always, for the last layer, we just have some simple ambiances and effects samples, so let's hear how they sound. We have 3 layers, so let's hear them one by one. Just a simple vocal loopy ambience. Some simple crowd noise. And a sweep up. Alright guys, now as always for the final step, let's just lap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this project. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.
My heart goes. I'm deep in